Corn is packed with fiber that helps in digestion and keeps you full for longer.
It is rich in vitamins and minerals, giving you natural energy and boosting your immunity. The antioxidants in corn protect your heart and also improve your eyesight. And the best part, corn is gluten-free and great for your skin and hair. Safe for people with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. Vitamin C and antioxidants in corn help strengthen the immune system. Corn has a low glycemic index compared to refined carbs, making it better for diabetics in moderation. Vitamin E and antioxidants improve skin glow and promote healthy hair. And the best part, corn is gluten-free and great for your skin and hair. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against cataracts and age-related vision problems. High in healthy carbohydrates, making it a natural energy booster. Provides vitamins B complex, Ce, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron.